Convergence of human-centered process and technology. Smart process quality control that does not even allow even an inch of error. Monitech, a company that opens up the future with technology ahead of the times and the leader in real-time welding monitoring. Monitech is a company specializing in real-time welding quality monitoring system that boasts the world's best technology. Founded in 1998, Monitech has been contributing to the R&D of systems encompassing the entire process in the welding field, including real-time welding monitoring and quality evaluation systems for the past 25 years. Monitech, with a firm belief that the quality of welding is directly related to the quality of products, has grown into the world's top 3 real-time welding quality monitoring company by securing fundamental cutting-edge technologies in the welding field. Monitech Corporation aims to converge IT and welding and to make the welding process smart. We are competing with differentiated technology and excellent quality in 3 fields: welding quality monitoring and evaluation, vision inspection, and big data application. Monitech Corporation has developed and supplied a system that precisely measures signals such as plasma, vibration, current, and voltage, which is generated during the welding process, analyzes and judges process instability and defects in real time, and leads to feedback. In particular, based on differentiated technologies in various welding fields such as laser, ultrasonic, arc, TIG, and resistance welding, we provide an optimized system to our customers and are recognized for its value by world-leading companies. Since 2015, Monitech has been making efforts to take the lead in EV-related market in anticipation of the electric vehicle era. The laser welding monitoring system is a system that can monitor the quality of the welding part in real time at the moment laser welding is in progress. It shows breakthrough performance by matching of wavelength analysis of near-infrared and visible rays from plasma generated during welding and advanced quality judgment algorithms. In particular, it has been widely used by global battery companies and major automotive parts manufacturers, as it has shown optimal performance for the welding process management of cells and modules of electric vehicle batteries. Monitech succeeded in commercializing the world's first ultrasonic welding monitoring system, mainly used in the manufacturing process of battery cells and modules, which are key elements of electric vehicles. Ultrasonic welding monitoring system is a system that guarantees the quality of the process by measuring and analyzing vibration, current, voltage, etc. generated during welding. Especially, it is optimized for the evaluation of ultrasonic welding parts of batteries for electric vehicles. In addition, we are producing and selling various product groups for quality control of welding parts, such as standard quality control system for welding process of cylindrical battery, real-time quality control equipment for arc and resistance welding processes, portable measuring equipment for welding, 3D weld bead inspection system, and residual stress relief equipment for structures. Moreover, in order to secure the stability of the welding process and improve productivity through quality control, we repay customers' trust through on-site consulting. Monitech, which has been at the forefront of welding quality control and evaluation while investing more than 10% of its annual sales in R&D, has been supplying systems to more than 500 domestic companies, universities, and research institutes in the automobile, electrical, electronic, and shipbuilding industries. And as a result of our efforts to develop overseas markets, we are supplying welding quality monitoring systems to over 10 countries, including the United States and Europe. Monitech will strive to become a world-class company in the field of welding quality evaluation with customized and optimized technology. A global company that connects people and technologies with long-lasting impression beyond satisfaction. Monitech.